Hi all, I am Ilan Sudan from Medical Electronics Department. My my oral presentation topic is about living in the city and in the country. Life in the city. It's common knowledge that tastes differ. Nowadays there are a lot of people who prefer to live in big cities at the same time. There are others who dream of living in the country. It goes without saying that life in a big city has a lot of disadvantage. Life in a big city is much more stressful and expensive than that in the country or in a small town. City life has lots of advantage. For example, it often easier to get prestigious education and to find a well-paid job. Besides, there is a wider choice of jobs, sports facility, and health center. More, if you living in the city, you can eat in good restaurant, visit museum, and go to the theater or concert. All in all, city lifestyle is full of variety, so you will never feel bored. There are too many people living together in one city and the streets are crowded. It also takes people a lot of time to get to work by metro as there are long distance between the station. In big cities, drivers suffer from traffic jams, accidents and car crashes. Young people living in city are likely to acquire such bad habits, smoking, drinking alcohol or even taking drugs. Big cities are beautiful. They look modern with their tall buildings, interesting architecture and design. Life in the country. Air in the country is clean. There are many forests and fields in the country. People can spend much time in the open air. It is very good for health. They work outside and spend their free time outdoors. That why country people are stronger and healthier. The people in town and cities they are kinder and friendlier too. People in the country know who lives their next door and can always help each other. There are not many things to do in country in rainy weather. It can be boring. Nowadays, a lot of young people tend to move cities in search of better life because they have not to get prestigious education to find well-paid job in their native place. Now let's speak about the settlement. Why don't what do you think? Discuss this question in a group with the partner. Thank you for attention.